Hi guys, it's me again, Mitch002. We got our hands on the Pocophone F1. So this is one of the most coveted units of 2018, sporting Snapdragon 845 together with liquid cooling system, 4000 milliampere hours of battery. So let's peel this thing and open the box. Okay. So we have black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Okay, so it's the color of Pocophone. So we open the... Okay, this is a free jelly case. Not so bad for its price point. Okay, so we have here the manual, which is... Everything's in English since it's a global edition. So for your information, there's no Chinese version, China ROM. So please don't ask if there's a China ROM or a global ROM for this unit. So before we open the unit, let's check if the charger is a quick charge 3. Here's the USB-C cable and the SIM ejector pin. So taking a quick look, it's 5 volt 2.5 ampere, which is not really a quick charge 3. This is only a quick charge 2 support. So in the effort of to cut cost, you probably might need to buy your own quick charge 3 charger for this one. Okay, so here's a Pocophone F1 Snapdragon 845 liquid cooling system. This is industry leading technology for cooling the phone. Then we have the dual camera AI 20MP, which is Sony IMX386, and the 4000 milliampere hour of battery. Oh, and here by Xiaomi, it's clearly written. Okay, Pocophone. This is a plastic bag. Don't expect too much from it. Okay, so while we're at it, let's boot this thing up. Okay, Pocophone by Xiaomi. So Xiaomi is proud of this unit since they dub it as the to take on the OnePlus 6, since OnePlus 6 said it's a flagship killer. So this one is to kill off the killer. So okay, then here is the MIUI 9. Let's peel this thing off before anything else. Okay, so the screen is looking good. Okay, we'll check it later if it's oleophobic or not. Okay, MIUI 9.6. Let's use India since they said only India has the face unlock feature. So we'll use India. Okay, they'll set everything up later. Okay. Everything's the same as any Xiaomi phone out there in the market. So, okay, so this one is new. So the Poco theme, probably this is the only thing that I see that is different from the regular MIUI phones, Xiaomi phones. Okay, setup is complete. Let's wait for it to load the apps. Okay, since this is pretty new to the market, so everybody's so crazy about this one since it's priced so low that some people even ask, how could this happen? Okay, so getting started. So just allow, and this is the Poco theme. Okay, so everything's much the same. You have the Mi apps. Okay, the MIUI forum app there, and here this is the app launcher. So everything is in here. This is pretty the most different from the regular MIUI UI. This is not available in Mi 8 or Redmi Note 5 or Mi Mix 2S. Okay, let's check the settings about phone. Then you can see that it's an Oreo 8.1, and we have it's a Snapdragon 845, 60 gig of RAM, 64 gig of storage. Okay, so the phone is pretty responsive. Of course, it should be. And let's peel the film off from the camera as well as from the back casing. Okay, so looks good from my point of view, but it's a little bit the feel is not really that premium since it's a plastic back. Okay, so don't expect too much. Okay, this is the dual camera, which is pretty similar to my Mi 8 Explorer Edition. 2 red rings, then ceramic fingerprint scanner, as well as the dual tone LED flash. Okay, the Pocophone logo is etched on this back case, so it probably would easily get removed once it's worn out and by Xiaomi. You can see it clearly below there. Okay, so taking a look at the camera, let's check the manual mode. AI is also present. Okay, shutter speed is 32 seconds. You can ISO is 3200. And let's take a quick look at the settings. Okay, watermark is there, and 16:9 camera. Okay, high settings. Beautify is also there. Let's take a quick look at the video settings. If there's what's the highest setting for the video? Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so UHD 4K it's present. So okay, let's see about the how many RAM is left on the 6 gig after we have cleared all the cache. So here's the other settings. Let's take a quick look at it. Okay, more settings. Okay, and okay, home screen. Okay, so let's enable the just to check. Okay, so we have roughly 4.1 gig of RAM left out of 6. So okay, so basically this unit is pretty fluid. Okay, so yeah, it's really nice. Okay, so let's run a quick recap. Okay, so USB Type-C below there, loudspeaker on the basically on my right. Okay, and it's a stereo one since the sound also come out from the earpiece. Then the other is the voice in. Then here is the ceramic, and okay, the 3.5 audio jack, and then mic, noise cancellation mic. Here's the SIM card trace supporting 2 nano SIMs or one micro SD slot. Okay, so this is also face detect enabled, so we'll run the test pretty soon. And I'm Mitch002. Thanks for watching.